Hello, hello. Hey, what's up, guys? Alex here. Thank you for checking this video. Welcome to the vlog number 11 of the super failed attempt to do a daily vlog once per day for the month of October. Is October 20-ish or something, and I did only 11 vlogs, so I'm totally off. I'm totally out of my schedule, but whatever. I've been pretty busy. I published a lot of tutorials, a lot of videos, so I'm pretty satisfied for what it did. I know it's sort of a failure, but whatever. Already many people. Hello, Halif. Hello, Mudassir. Hello, Kamal. Hey, how's it going? Nice hairstyle. Yes, I shaved 2 days ago. Look at that. I'm a fantastic bowling ball. So clear, so easy to manage. Like, literally, with this haircut, zero time in getting prepped, um, in doing whatever, like in going out of like the house. Um, okay, we already have a bunch of questions. So, a question from Demons. He shared a link, Ubuntu Snapcraft Desktop Helper, said what it's for. So Snapcraft, a Ubuntu Snap, it's a self-contained application that you can release in every operating system. Instead of passing through a PPA or passing through a package that you need to install all the dependencies, and you need to install all the libraries, everything, and needs to be crafted, needs to be built specifically for Debian or Arch or FreeBSDs, like every different operating system Linux distribution. You can have just one single global snap package that you can install everywhere. That's what I'm trying to do with my app. So I released Sequeler, the SQL client on Elementary OS, and it's a Debian-based application. Now I'm trying to create these standalone packages that I'm trying to create a snap application and an app image that pretty much will allow everyone, it doesn't matter what operating system they're using, to install it. I want to try to succeed in this. It's really hard for me because it's the first time. I have no idea what I'm doing, but I'm trying to do it. So as soon as I get that right, I will be able to start coding Hakira, my UX design application. And by knowing those things that I'm learning with Sequeler, I can release Akira everywhere from day one instead of struggling hours and days in trying to refactor the code to make it work. So that's another question. Alessandro, can you publish a tutorial about custom user table on WordPress? Sure. I mean, it's gonna be kind of included, this type of customizations kind of included in the plugin series. So keep looking that, and it's gonna be really custom plugin stuff, like really advanced stuff, so we're gonna have a lot of fun. And by the way, today my plans are to record 3 tutorials about plugin development. We're gonna start doing some pretty cool stuff. And then I just installed yesterday, I don't know if you saw my Instagram or on Facebook, I just installed Pop OS, the new OS released by System 76 on my HTPC. What I'm gonna do, because it's a fresh install, there's nothing in it, I'm gonna grab the HTPC, I'm gonna attach it to this monitor, and I'm gonna start recording tutorials on how I like to set up my Linux operating system to do web development. So all the quick things, like how I like to install my local environment, how I install like which database I use, MariaDB instead of MySQL, how to install Composer, make it work properly, NPM, WP CLI, the command line tool of WordPress to quickly set up a new WordPress installation, how to install Laravel, and then like all the software that I use. So I'm gonna do like small 5 to 4 minutes snippets of videos on how to quickly set up your Linux machine, your fresh new installation, to do pretty good web development. And if you guys like it, let me know if you want more, if you want something different. And probably I'm gonna continue using it to show you how I set it up also for design, and how I set up to develop Linux application, to develop Vala, Debian application, to compile a Snap application if I succeed, and stuff like that. So this is the plan for today. Lots of questions. Hi Alessandro, how are you? I'm good. You look awesome, thank you. Please complete the WordPress plugin series soon. I'm so excited. Yes, I'm trying to. It's gonna be pretty long, but we're gonna learn a lot of things the more we go on. How to think, a question, how to think in object-oriented way with PHP. Hope you will provide a video for this. In the plugin series, I'm showing you the difference between procedural and object-oriented programming and how to approach a development project in object-oriented programming logic. So just keep following that. And like overall, the logic is just a matter of let me switch the hand. It's really hard here. Okay, it's just a matter of separating all different pieces of codes in proper containers, so like self-contained small portions, not having a gigantic file with everything in it, not having just code written one by line that does 1,000 different things, and it's all together. As soon as you remove something, it's gonna break, it's gonna fall apart. The overall like logic and approach of object-oriented programming is that every piece of code can be removed, can be deleted without affecting the main functionalities of the application. Because everything is an object, everything is like, these portions of code, they conversate with each other, they interact with each other, but they don't depend on each other in order to maintain the structure up. That should be your main goal of making an OOP structure proper. Alif asked if I can do an advanced JavaScript tutorial series before, and you said you will do, still waiting for it. Yes, but as you can see, I'm doing so many things. Like, come on, please give me a break. I still work full time. I have like a full-time job, and I don't have time to, like, if I was doing just YouTube, I would release like 2 videos per day, every day. But because I work full time, I work more than 10 hours per day, every day at the office and my work or like from home. But for work, I have time only to record tutorials on the weekend. And I have in 2 days, like Saturday or Sunday, one day I need to go out in order to live my life, and the other day I stay at home and record tutorials. But after recording tutorials, I have to edit the tutorials, I have to fix the tutorials if I recorded something wrong, and blah blah blah. So it takes time, and I'm trying to do as much as I can, but until it's like that. Like, if you really want that, if you really want like me doing 2 tutorials per day, just like support me on Patreon, and when I'm gonna earn enough money to quit my job and do YouTube full time, I will do it. But for now, it's a side project, so I cannot dedicate too much time to do too many tutorials. Sorry about that. My sunset theme was great. Thank you so much. Steven asked if we can say hello to your dog again. Sure. Peter, come. It doesn't answer. That's Peter. Peter, come. Hey, what is he doing? What is he doing? Oh, there you go. Is chilling in bed. There you go. Why are you not coming? Say hi. Say hi. Say hi to everybody. This is Peter Parker, and it's kind of upset today. It's kind of like weird and excited, but you see how he puts like his ear are completely down. When he's like that, it's kind of not sad, but he's upset. It's not feeling great today. So later I'm gonna go out. I'm gonna bring him to the park and Let's see how it goes. Hey, Peter, what's up? What's up? Yes, yes, it looks kind of sad. What's going on today? Are you upset of stomach? But yeah, it's super cute. Oh my god, you're super cute. Okay, just sleep, sleep. I'm gonna bring you out later. Man, these dogs. Okay, I'm back. I'm trying to update. I'm keep reading questions. I'm trying to update term order using custom code in WordPress. I spent almost 1 hour, just 1 hour. I spent many more time, much more time when I have issues. Not yet find any way to update order. Any suggestion? Yes, it's just like search on Google. Sort WP query results by terms taxonomy. Just search that on Google and you will find an answer for that. What do you think about advanced custom fields? Do you use them or recommend something else? Advanced custom fields is the perfect thing. If you check my top 5 WordPress plugin for developers on like my video on YouTube, advanced custom fields at the first one. It's the best ever. Please start a series of OpenCart development. Never use OpenCart. I don't know what it is. Sorry, I will not start a series about that. Can you please create a chat channel like Discord or Slack for us to help each other out with code? There's my forum. You can go on forum.alecad.com. It's an online free forum. You can sign up and you can write code with Markdown and just go on my forum. There are already people like sharing code and asking questions and helping each other. So just go on my forum. Which is the best, Mac or Linux? It depends. Apple computers are really shiny, but hardware-wise are behind and they cost so much more and they're a closed environment. But the availability of softwares for Mac, especially for designers, is way better on Mac than Linux. But Linux, it's perfect for development. It's an open system. You can do whatever you want. You can run it on every computer, even like really old computer. You don't need to spend a shitload of money in order to use it. So I love Linux a lot. I'm trying to switch to Linux, but I'm still stuck with Mac because of software, like lacking of professional design software, professional development software and stuff like that. But I'm trying to change it by coding my own softwares for Linux. But yeah, I love Linux, but Mac, it's sort of an institution for professional designers, and that's bad because it shouldn't be. But I mean, if you need to switch, if you need to decide, I will suggest to go to Linux. Don't stuck with Mac, because as soon as you start using a Mac application, or as soon as using like a Mac computer, you're gonna get stuck with the applications that Apple offers, and it's not good. Which Linux OS is the best for those whom already know how to code but have no idea how to use Linux? Elementary OS. It's great because it's super user friendly. So it's targeted for you, like those type of users that they don't have experience with Linux, but they want to switch, and they don't want to spend hours in typing Linux commands in the terminal in order to install the proper driver, in order to fix a folder issue, in order to make your computer run. Elementary OS, you install it and it works. It's really similar, like, graphic-wise, UI-wise, it's similar to an older version of Mac, like Mac OS, but they're doing something really good in terms of like UI consistency and yeah, fixing all this kind of stuff. So I suggest Elementary OS. Pop OS, it's also really good by System76 because it comes with nothing. Basically, it's like it comes with all updated stuff, but no extra useless applications like bloatware and stuff like that. It's really like bare bone for developers. But System76 Pop OS, it's more for users that they want to customize the Linux experience a lot. So it's probably is not the best for you. Yeah, I would suggest definitely Elementary OS is the most user friendly, because it doesn't require any Linux logic, Linux knowledge in order to customize it. Or actually, you cannot really customize it. It's really like a strict, closed in the term of UI system. But yeah, Elementary OS, you should give it a try. I love Peter Parker. He's sleepy. Yeah. Okay. Christopher said. I compose music to anime and gaming. Oh wow, congratulations, that's amazing. Themes, and I'd be so happy if you guys will check out my channel. Okay, you're here to uh, publicize your channel. Don't do that. Come on, man, don't do that, please. It's annoying. Um, will you be doing a REST API tutorials in the future? Asks Kamal. Yes, I will, definitely. I will integrate some REST API into the plugin development series. I will use the plugin development series to talk as much as possible about as many topics as possible, as many like advanced things as possible on WordPress. So, well, there you have it. This is the vlog number 11. So you know my plans, what I'm gonna do today, and I wanted just to share with you. And thank you so much, guys, for watching. Thank you so much for supporting me, and have a fantastic rest of the day. Cheers.